Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant Bootstrap package game problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. The reason for our error is because it is stuck on Valorant firewall. We will solve this problem in 2 steps. Our first step is to allow Valorant and Riot applications to pass in the Windows Defender firewall. For this, first we type Windows Defender in the search. Click Windows Defender Firewall. From the left menu, we click on the part that says Allow an app or feature. Click on Change Settings. Click on Allow another app. Click on Browse from the window that opens. First, we click on this PC. We find the Riot Games file location. After finding it, we click on Riot Games. Click on Riot Client. Click once on Riot Client Services.exe. We click Open. Then click on Add here. Click on Allow another app again. Click Browse. Click on Riot Games. Click on Valorant. From this folder, we click valorant.exe once and click Open. Click Add. Click on Allow another app. Click Browse. Click on Shooter Game folder. Click on Binaries. Click on Win64. And we click on Valorant Win64 Shipping.exe once and click Open. Click Add. Finally, we click on Allow another app. Click Browse. The last we will add is the X file of Riot Vanguard. For this, we click on this PC. Click on Local Disk C. We find the Program Files folder. Click on Riot Vanguard folder. Here we click on vgc.exe once and click Open. Click Add. We added the files. We will allow these files in order. We mark the Vanguard user mode service here as both private and public. We apply the same process Valorant. We press the letter B. We mark Bootstrap packaged game as private and public in the same way. Finally, we press the letter R. We find Riot clients and apply the same process to them. After doing these, we click OK to save the settings we have made. In this way, when we open Valorant, Windows Defender will not be attached to the firewall. This was our first step. Our second step is for those who use an antivirus program. Usually this problem happens to people who use Avast antivirus program. That's why I'll show it through Avast. What we're going to do is turn off the antivirus. Or for the antivirus program, to ensure that Valorant and Valorant-related X files are not stuck in Windows Defender. To do this, we go the antivirus program. Click the menu. We click on Settings. Click on Exceptions. Click on Add Exceptions. Click Browse. We find the folder where Valorant is installed. Once we find the Riot Games folder, we tick the box next to it. Click OK. Click on Add Exception. Then we click on Add Exceptions again. Click Browse. This time we need to add Riot Vanguard. Riot Vanguard is usually located in the Program Files folder on local disk C. We find the Riot Vanguard folder and tick the box in the same way. Click OK. Click on Add Exception. Files added. These file locations may differ for you. However, if you haven't made any changes, it will usually be found on local disk C. After doing these, we need to restart our computer once for the settings we have made to take effect. After restarting, you can enter the game and check. Our error will be resolved. This was our second and last solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.